Terrytown Tigers. I am doing a very special read aloud today about the holiday of Ramadan. The holiday of Ramadan begins tomorrow, Thursday, April 23rd, tomorrow evening, and I wanted us to learn a little bit about the holiday of Ramadan. So I'm going to do this read aloud today called Rashad's Ramadan and al-Fitr. We're going to go ahead and start with the glossary so we can understand some of these words that we're going to be talking about in the story. The first word is Allah. Allah is the word for God in the Arabic language. It is the name for God in the religion of Islam and other religions in which Arabic is spoken. Celebrate. Celebrate is to do something to show how special or important a day is. Crescent. Crescent is the moon shape when it is just a thin little curve in the sky. Decorate. Decorate is to make something look fancy. Al-Fitr. This is a celebration after Ramadan is over. Fast. Now a lot of you guys think fast means that I'm running fast, but fast also means to not eat and sometimes not drink for a period of time. Holy. Holy is something that is special because it is connected to God or religion. Islam. Islam is an Arabic word that means to obey God. It is also the name of the religion of the Muslims. So the name of the religion is Islam, and the people who practice Islam are Muslim. Quran. Quran is the holy book of Islam. It is also called the Quran with a Q. Mosque. A mosque is the place where Muslims worship. It is also called a masjid. Muhammad. Muhammad is the man who received the messages from God, which became the Quran. Muslims consider him to be the last prophet, or a prophet is a person who gets a message from God. Muslims. As I said before, Muslims are the people who follow the religion of Islam. And Ramadan. Ramadan is the ninth month of the Islamic calendar. It is the time for fasting and being very close to God. So it's a very important holiday. Religion. A religion is a set of beliefs in God or gods. Remember earlier in the year we were talking about different world religions, okay? So Islam is one of the major world religions that in the world today. I'm going to try to do a little video of this activity, which is make a moon can. It's going to be in a separate video. I think that it's a really fun little activity that we can all do at home. Alright, so let's go ahead and start this story. I'm going to go ahead and go to the first page. And this story is accessible. I have put it on our Epic. Okay? So, let's go ahead and start. Rashad's Ramadan and al-Fitr by Lisa Bullard and illustrated by Aloud. Chapter 1. Where's the moon? I look and look at the night sky, then finally, I see it. First, it's the Ramadan moon. Dad says, Rashad, your smile curves across your face, just like the moon. So Ramadan is the 9th month in the calendar used for the Muslim holidays. Muslims are people who follow the religion called Islam. Ramadan is the most important month for Muslims. When it is near, they watch the night sky. They look for a new crescent moon. So tomorrow night, you guys can all go outside and look for the crescent moon. The moon means Ramadan starts tomorrow. My family celebrates Ramadan because we're Muslim. We believe in God, whom we call Allah. Dad says Ramadan is a time to get closer to Allah. The calendar for Muslim holidays follows the moon. That means Ramadan starts on a different day every year. Ramadan can happen during any season. So what season is Ramadan start? What season are we in right now? Yeah, we're in spring. Ramadan is going to begin in spring this year. Okay, chapter 2, thinking about Allah. Um, we get up really early for breakfast during Ramadan. Mom and Dad fast after the sun comes up. That means they don't eat or drink anything. So Muslims believe that Allah wants them to fast for the month of Ramadan. Grown-ups fast between sunrise and sunset. People who are sick do not have to fast. Kids do not have to fast, but some kids practice. Some children go without eating for part of each day. Some children fast for certain days of the month. I would challenge you to maybe try to skip a meal thinking about Ramadan, okay? You guys need to eat because we're still very young and we're still growing, but fasting is very important for the month of Ramadan. Maybe when you get a little older, you will fast a day just to think about your friends who celebrate Ramadan. I think it's a very good idea to fast. Today, I will be fasting 2. Sure, there is a long time until the sun sets. Then we can eat again. On some nights we go to the mosque. That's where we pray and hear people read from a special book. I look for the moon on those nights too. When it is fat and full, we're halfway through Ramadan. A man named Muhammad is very important to Islam. Muhammad lived about 1,400 years ago. Muslims believe he was given messages from Allah. Muhammad began receiving these messages during the month of Ramadan. The messages became the Muslim holy book called the Quran. Chapter 3, thinking about other people. Guys, I think this is one of my favorites. We all try hard to be good this month. My sister and I don't even fight. We also give money and food to people who don't have enough. Caring for the poor is important to Muslims. That is one of the reasons that they fast. Fasting helps them understand how people feel when they go hungry. Very cool. I've been watching the moon every night. Tonight I look extra hard. There, it's the new crescent moon again. Ramadan is over. Tomorrow we celebrate al-Fitr. Muslim families do many things to get ready for al-Fitr. They clean and decorate their homes. They make special treats and they get ready for this big feast. Chapter 4, a big celebration. So early in the morning, I put on new clothes and shoes. We all go to a big park with many other people. We all pray together. Many Muslims cover certain parts of their bodies in public. They dress this way to show their respect to Allah. Dad says that Muslims around the world have fun and feasts for Eid. Sometimes there are carnival rides and games. We visit friends and family. People give me candy, presents, and money. Muslims take a day off of school or work for Eid. In some places, the celebration lasts 3 whole days. It's a fun time, but it is also a time for giving thanks to Allah. I've decided I'm going to watch the moon all year. I know it'll grow bigger and smaller many times, but finally there will be that special night again. It will be time for another Ramadan moon. Alright guys, that's the story. I'm going to post some pictures on Google Classroom some questions. I'm going to post some questions on Google Classroom, and I hope that you enjoyed it and think about Ramadan whenever tomorrow evening. Look at the moon. Think about the special day.